Hi everybody. So we're in the middle of moving, as you know. And so, we got boxes everywhere and stuff. And so, when we're moving, what better than to take on a humongous project? So in a Buy Nothing group that we were a part of, there's this church that was giving away pews because they're getting new chairs. So we thought, yeah, that's what we need before we move, because we have some projects that we could use for that. So we have a massive pew. Actually, it's really not massive compared to the other ones. It's like 13 feet, sitting out in our lawn at the moment, and we're tearing it apart so that we can use it for benches and a new table and maybe some desks for our homeschool room, because we're crazy. So pray for us.
We're crazy.
We're crazy because you need extra projects when you're moving.
Yeah, exactly.
Much more.
Well, and specifically projects that weigh 1 billion tons.
1 billion tons. Oh my gosh! If you've ever not tried to pick up a pew.
Let's just talk about where we transported this.
Oh yeah.
With 13 and 14 foot.
Right, we had two of them.
14 and 15 foot.
Today,
right,
we're gonna get 3 more tomorrow.
Right here.
So we don't have a trailer, right? We have our awesome, 15 passenger van for our billion children. So we had to get them up there
and down again
and across, and we tied them to the roof, and then we drove home, and then we had to get them off. And our driveway's on an incline, so that didn't help either. And yeah, that's what we're doing over here at Litany of Saints.
We're ready to lift boxes. So ready.
Boxes are going to be so easy after trying to lift pews.
Well, it's going to be lighter, but I think we're going to be dead. So
maybe. So the adventure begins.
Pray for us, y'all.